Hello friends, today our topic is the rank of a matrix. Now the rank of a matrix with m rows and n columns is a number, that is R, with the following properties. R is less than or equal to the smallest number out of m and n, and R is equal to the order of the greatest minor of the matrix which is not 0. That means whose determinant value is 0, that type of matrix is called a singular matrix. That type of matrix is called a singular matrix whose determinant value is equal to 0. So how to find out the determinant or the rank of a matrix? We pick an element of the matrix which is not 0. Then we calculate the order 2 minors which contain that element until we find a minor which is not 0. If every order 2 minor is 0, then the rank of the matrix is 1. So that means it has to be a non-singular matrix. If there is any order 2 minor which is not 0, we calculate the order 3 minors which contain the previous minor until we find one which is not 0. If every order of 3 minor is 0, then the rank of the matrix is 2. If there is any order 3 minor which is not 0, we calculate the order 4 minors until we find one which is not 0. We keep doing this until we get minors of an order equal to the smallest number out of the number of rows and number of columns. So many theories are here. Let's check how to find the rank of a matrix with the example. That would be better. So at first we have a matrix which is of the order 2 cross 3. So the matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. So the greatest possible value of its rank must be 2. So we pick any element which is not 0. Suppose we are picking the element that is 1, that has been pointed here using the red color. So we form an order 2 minor containing 1. Let 1, 2, 3, 6. Now we calculate this minor or the determinant, then we are getting that is 0. So we form another order 3 minor containing 1. So let's check it. 1, 3, 4, 5. Now here we are getting 1, 4, 3, 5, that is 5 minus 12 minus 7, that is not equal to 0. So its rank is 2. Let's check another example. Suppose here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all the elements of the matrix are 1. So we pick any element which is not 0, obviously any 1, and that is pointed here using the red color. So we calculate the order 2 minors containing this element. So we are getting 1, 1, 1, 1, and that must be 0 because it has 2 equal rows. But here if we consider all the order 2 minors, all are containing the same values 1, 1. So every other order 2 minor is 0 because it's the same as the others. In this case the rank of the matrix is 1 because we cannot get any order 2 matrix determinant which is not equal to 0. So its rank is 1. Let's check another example. Here the order of the matrix is 4 cross 3. That means the 4 rows and 3 columns. So obviously the greatest possible values of its rank may be 3. So we pick any element which is not 0. Suppose we are picking the element 4 using the red color that has been pointed. So at first we are calculating an order 2 minor that is containing 4. Using the red color we have pointed 1, 1, 3, 4, and its value is equal to 1, deterministic value. So its rank may be 2. So we are proceeding to the next higher order. So we form an order 3 minor containing the previous minor. That means 1 1 3 4 and now 2 5 7 4 5 1 3 4 1 4 5. So using red color we have pointed the 3. Now we calculate this minor and we get the result as 0 because R1 plus R2 is equal to R3. So we calculate another order 3 minor containing the previous minor, and here we are getting, using the blue color, we have given that 382 211 534, and here we are getting the deterministic result as minus 19, which is not equal to 0. So the rank of the matrix is 3. Let's check another example. Here the order is 3 cross 4, that means 3 rows and 4 columns. So once again the greatest possible value of the rank is 3. So once again we pick an element which is not 0. Suppose it is 5. Using red color we have pointed this. So we form an order 2 minor containing 5, and we are getting 1 5 2 3, that is minus 7 not equal to 0. So we form an order 3 minor containing the previous minor, that is 1 5 1 2 3 2 6 1 6, and we are getting the result as 0. So we have to choose another minor of order 3 using the previous minor of order 2, that is 1 5 2 3. Let's check. In this case we form another order 3 minor containing the order 2 minor which is not 0. So that is 1 5 2 3, that one the first one minor of order 2. So 1 2 6 5 3 1 6 5 7, and here once again we are getting the result as 0 because the column 1 plus column 2 is equal to column 3. Hence all the order of 3 minors are 0. Hence we can simply say the rank of the matrix here is 2. So that is how we can find the rank of a matrix.